Manipur Chief Minister N Biren Singh said that an excavator has been successfully mounted on an indigenously crafted barge to enhance cleanup efforts in Loktak Lake. This innovative approach will enable the removal of fumdies from previously inaccessible areas of the lake, which is crucial for the ecosystem's health. Singh expressed gratitude to Honorable Minister Sri L. Susindro for personally overseeing this initiative. Earlier, on October 9, the Chief Minister said that over 50 hectares of fumdies had been cleared from Loktak Lake in a remarkable 6-week operation. He commended the Loktak Development Authority (LDA) for their significant contributions to this achievement. Utilizing I-210 hydraulic excavators equipped with long booms, the LDA has made substantial progress in clearing the floating biomass and that threatens the lake's ecological balance. Loktak Lake, renowned as the largest freshwater lake in northeast India, is vital for both ecological integrity and the livelihood of communities dependent on its resources. The removal of fumdies is expected to enhance the lake's health, directly benefiting local inhabitants and their economic activities. In conjunction with these efforts, the ongoing 70th Wildlife Week celebrations featured an informative interaction program titled "The Importance of Loktak Lake, a Ramsar Site." Held at Central Loktak Lake, the event was organized by the Bishnupur Forest Division in collaboration with the LDA. The program aimed to raise awareness about wildlife conservation and highlight the critical role of coexistence in preserving fragile ecosystems. Prominent dignitaries, including LDA Chairman M. Asni Kumar Singh, Divisional Forest Officer Vaikom Romabai Devi, and Executive Engineer of LDA T.H. Nandagram Singh, graced the gathering. It also attracted enthusiastic participation from local students, forest officers, and staff from the Bishnupur Forest Division.